Welcome to Learn German with Germany Valley.
Hello everyone, myself here, your German channel. In this video, we are going to learn about Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen, which means greetings. Also, we are going to learn about Gesten. Gesten, which means gestures. So in all, we are going to learn about what should we say and what should we do when we greet a German speaker. So let's get started. Germans value order, privacy and punctuality. So you should never invade their privacy. You should always be respectful when you greet someone. Greetings usually differ on the basis of formality depending on how well do you know each other or not. The most common way of greeting is handshakes. Handshakes are never wrong. In professional field, always a boss or a person who is older or a person who is at higher status usually offers the handshake first. Whenever you offer a handshake, always apply the right pressure. If you don't know a person, you can always greet them with handshake. One of the most important things while offering a handshake is eye contact. Whether it is man or a woman, eye contact is must. Another common way of greeting someone is by hugging each other. You usually hug a person if you know them, especially your friends and your family. We usually don't hug in professional field. So that's all. Now you know what to do when you greet. Now let's learn what to say when we greet. We are going to learn different forms of greeting in various German speaking countries. Make sure you repeat after me several times so that you have a good command over the language. Hallo. Hallo. It means hello. One of the most common way of greeting someone in Germany. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Yet another common way of greeting someone in Germany but is usually used in formal situations. This can be used in any time of the day. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen, which means good morning. This greeting is usually used in the daytime. Guten Abend. Guten Abend, which means good evening. This can be used in the late evenings too. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht, which means good night. Now let's learn some regional greetings. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott. It means hello. This word is usually used in Austria, a German-speaking country. Servus. Servus. It means hello and bye both. This word originates from Switzerland and is also spoken in southern Germany. Cheers. Cheers. Informal way of greeting someone by. Both the spellings are correct. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Formal way of greeting someone by, usually used. Auf Wiederhören. Auf Wiederhören. Another word used on telephone. Again, a formal way of greeting someone by. It is used on telephone because we cannot see a person. Bis bald. Bis bald. This word is used amongst friends. Bis später. Bis später. Alternative form of greeting someone instead of bis bald. So now you are ready to greet a German speaker. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you all. Please do like, share